Well, I know it's too wide, but it was so nice, I couldn't leave it. Yeah. We're here in actual PK representing. I understand. Also, okay. 6 and 7ers. Oh, today. Nice. Yeah.
You still wouldn't work in February?
I am, yes. Yeah, this weekend. Daniel said they're up around the A-frame. Trying to get it set on rails.
This wagon is just
standard. Basically, attach some bits around.
No.
So we might be asking for donations, but yeah, it's all coming together. I'm looking forward to that. Yeah.
I think he's done from
well, that's the thing. I knew it was set.
Well, also please be great to see anyone as well as the CPC.
All their last end and
Oh yes.
yeah. But yeah.
Something for everyone.
For sure. For sure. Yeah, people.
Exactly
how you put it, is it?
The one I firmly found myself in is that
No, I don't think it is just they are, that's what they do, yes. No, I mean, Paris.
oh, alright, lovely to
What's his elf layout called?
is that from
Elf
No, I've asked him.
Six gauge track.
Yeah.
It didn't look like 16 and a half.
Well, the amazing thing is actually, and it isn't wired that way. Well, it wouldn't go with the points. I found out with test track. Of course, you get 16.5. You get 16.5 there.
Right, yeah.
Which is ridiculous. It's a bit perverse. My whole layout is a bit perverse.
It's fun with my model engineering tools. We've got 5-inch, 3.5 and 2.5 on the other things on the
All the combinations between the gauges. Young gentleman may like to look at that building.
Yeah, we'll do that in a minute.
Great.
Two. Three goes in a row. Away. Stop, man.
How do they go to Annie's house today? Do you understand me?
Oscar, quick, cousin.
Lunch.
No, we tend to be more cooperative sort of buildings. Okay, to do the engage on. Right. Then I decided to go for an open basement front, so I could put on points. I bought when I've still got the existing manuals. I bought the plot to build, get some colour of double baseboard. based on Collis. Yeah, bogies, twisting and frames. Exactly. I don't know. I'm taking pity on it. So I can get back on. Yes. I mean, seriously, that is just here. No, I'll ask him.
Generator then, when you add a generator in it.
It could be, yeah. It could have a motor, it could be motorised. Yeah.
Oh, so that'd be a big heavy brass motor.
Well, I don't know. I'll ask that. Right. And you? Yeah. Cheers, Paul. That clock up there is totally difficult. What time do you say lunch starts? Do you want to go to lunch first?
No, I'll go second. You go down.
You sure about that?
Yeah. I haven't. Only just settling into this cup of tea. Also foolish. No.
Give me one. I just play hunt contact details.
Well, let's go have a look then.
I would talk to that gentleman about whether you want to do Weymouth football.
Yeah.
But are you happy for me to give Yeah. And that one of those two you may have seen me.
Maybe.
That was with an engaged lot who was
Yeah. With a married.
Oh. Yeah.
Are you an
Spurs were there.
Yeah.
Well, it's very incestuous.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
That's a good one.
And our gauge is all 14 mil, but they've got interlaced track there, so there's
Right. I'll see you
nowadays
later.
and standard gauge, and those wagons are standard gauge.
Right.
You can see there's 3 rails.
The workers and everything. Oh, Magdalena.
Yes.
That is fascinating.
Mainly because people told me I couldn't do it.
Oh, that's a story as old as time when it comes to model railways, isn't it?
I've seen metre and standard gauge mixed in France. And I found it fascinating.
Oh no, that's you.
This one. So you have to put higher or lower, but you're going to write.
They're 3 4D. What do you want 4D please?
Excuse me. Don't rub any of them out.
says there's 2, and I can only see 1. I found it. Let's see if you can spot it.
I don't know.
I can hear that.
I can't do that.
I bet you do. Right, I found 2. Can you find the third one for me, Rosie? Oh, you need to find the second one first. Where's your crows? No, you aren't finding it.
I was reading notices once. They're all the kid ones, because you normally play on your
Raccoons on here as well? Or what raccoons are we doing? You can see them now, they go through bins, don't they? They're very good.
Yeah, we got the